Over 1 million organizations use Microsoft Teams for daily collaboration, and it has over 270 million active users. ChallengeRunner is available for distribution in the Teams and Microsoft 365 App Source Store. But why does that matter? Workplace health and fitness challenges are generally designed to improve participant health while also improving morale and teamwork. By providing an easy integration path into Teams, we greatly simplify employee onboarding and communications, one of the biggest obstacles to running a challenge. In addition, using ChallengeRunner through Teams allows for smoother participant interaction and feedback through Teams channels and provides seamless single sign-on. In order to get started, you will first need to create a ChallengeRunner admin account. Optionally, you can create a Teams channel for your challenge communications. Then, you need to authorize ChallengeRunner to work with Teams. Before integrating with Teams, your organization must have a ChallengeRunner commercial or enterprise account. If you already have one, you may skip this section. To create a ChallengeRunner account for your organization, click the New Organization button at the top of the ChallengeRunner.com homepage. Then, click the Free Trial button to try the platform out for 2 weeks with up to 10 participants. Fill in your organization details, create or enter an admin account, accept the terms of use, and click Submit. Now you can integrate for ChallengeRunner account with your Teams account. Now that you have a ChallengeRunner admin account, open the Microsoft Teams app and optionally create a new standard channel for your fitness challenge communications. In my case, I chose to call my new channel Challenges. If you want to use a channel for communications with ChallengeRunner, click the ellipsis next to the new channel name and then select the Connectors option. Next to Incoming Webhook, click the Add button. Once the Incoming Webhook pop-up appears, click the Add button. Once again, click the ellipsis next to the new channel name and select the Connectors option. Then, click the Configure button on the Incoming Webhook row. Enter a name for your webhook and, optionally, an image for messages from ChallengeRunner, and then click the Create button. For my channel, I entered CR Challenges. The screen will refresh and a webhook URL will be provided at the bottom of the screen. Click the Copy to Clipboard button to save the URL for a later step, and then click Done. Now that you have a channel for challenge communications, click the Apps button in the left navigation bar. Next, type ChallengeRunner in the search box under the Apps header. When the results appear, click the ChallengeRunner tile. Next, click the Add button. If a pop-up is presented asking for additional permissions, click Continue. ChallengeRunner requires minimal permissions in order to automatically sign in participants. If you are an administrator, you can check the Consent on behalf of your organization checkbox to streamline the user acceptance process. Click the Accept button to accept the permissions. ChallengeRunner then asks for your login ID and password. You and your participants will only ever need to do this once. Afterwards, ChallengeRunner will remember your credentials and automatically sign you in whenever you click the ChallengeRunner tab. If you had logged in with a participant ID and password, you would see details for your current challenge or available challenges. If you logged in with an admin ID and password, you can click the Switch to Admin View button. Now, you may want to create a simple challenge to test the integration with Teams. From the Admin view, click the Create Challenge button. Select the Generate a Walking Challenge option and click Next. Click Next twice to select the default options and then set a start date of today and an end date of a few days later. Click Finish when ready. Your challenge has now been created, so let's connect it to Teams with the webhook you created earlier. First, select the Teams option from under the Organization menu. On the Teams setting pop-up, click the Add button. Then enter a team name and channel name to associate with this webhook. You may enter any names you like. Paste the webhook URL you copied earlier into the webhook URL box and click Save. In order to link the webhook to the new challenge, click the Edit Challenge button. Select the new team from the Collaboration Channel drop-down. Check the Event Updates or Leaderboard options if you would like to see either in your team's channel. Click Save when done. If you would like users to be able to enroll in challenges from Teams, select the Settings option from under the Organization menu. On the Group Page tab, select No for Enable Group Page, and then select Members may enroll themselves in available challenges. Click Save. Now, test out the new challenge from the user perspective. To verify integration, log into Teams as a user and click Apps. Then, click the ChallengeRunner app if available. Otherwise, search for it. If this is the first time the user has logged into the ChallengeRunner app, they will be asked to enter their ChallengeRunner ID and password. Otherwise, the user will be shown the available challenges. Click the Enroll button. Enter a numeric value in the Steps Walked text box. After a few seconds, the leaderboard is updated with the entered value. As participants enter data throughout the challenge, the leaderboard continues to update. Virtually any type of challenge can be integrated into Teams. Walking, active minutes, nutrition, hydration, you name it. In addition to allowing participants to automatically sign in to their challenges through a tool they use every day, integrating with Teams provides a rich communications platform. Participants can easily communicate with each other through the selected Teams channel, while ChallengeRunner sends daily leaderboard and event updates. Thank you for viewing this demonstration of ChallengeRunner Teams integration. For more information on running a ChallengeRunner challenge, please navigate to challengerunner.com/features/Teams integration or use the QR code.